Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Bam Station, and in today's video I will be reviewing this Vilva Store Wild Rose face mask for all skin types. I have already used this last week, like I do my face masking only the weekends. So this face mask is the one which you can use it twice a week, and it's very mild on skin. There are no harsh particles or it's not a scrubber, it's just a clean face mask. So I am going to do it second time in front of you all. So let me show you. First of all, this I got it from Vanity Wagon. Vanity Wagon is a website where you can get all clean beauty products, natural ingredients, and it's vegan, cruelty free, and all made in India products. So there are so many products, brands under the umbrella, which you definitely need to give it a try. And also, if you're ready to support the vocal for local hashtag, so you need to check out that website. And there are 30% off going on their website, so definitely check that out. I will share the link in my description box. There are so many brands which are all across, from India, from Himalayas. I recently tried out Juneli, which is from Himalayas, and that's face oil. If you have not checked out that video, click the link above and watch that video as well, which I recently tried, their Juneli face oil, and which is amazing. I am still using that. So today I'm going to share my reviews on this Vilva face mask. So first of all, it's mentioned here, this is mentioned the expiry date. Let me show you. It is mentioned manufactured in August 2020. Exactly, I placed my order in the month of August, and when I placed my order there, they started preparing that product. You won't believe it. They just prepare fresh and then pack it, and then they send it. I received it by the first week of September. So it is best before 8 months from the date of manufacturing. That means August if they have manufactured, plus 8 months, August, September. That means the expiry date is April 2021. So when you know in your mind that 8 months the expiry date, you will only use this face mask and try to finish that. You will not keep on hoarding, because what happens is we just keep on buying so many face masks in a fridge or in a drawer that we forget using it, because we know कि 2-3 साल तक है expiry date. But now there is 8 months, so you will try to finish this. Plus when I use this for the first time, I would see that a huge change. Nowadays I'm taking my dog for a walk in the morning, so when we come back, because of that mask as well, when we put a mask because of the coronavirus thingy going on, so when we remove that, you'll see so much of sweat going on, and half part of my face is tanned, and don't know what all germs are there inside your mouth, ear, this area. So I come back, we just wash our face, but weekends I see to it I do masking. So last week I tried this, and after I washing, you need to apply this for 20 minutes and then wash it off. So I could see that I have, my face is super soft and brighten your face. Let me show you how it looks. It comes in this kind of cover, and look at this. I think it may fall. It's very nice and like a creamy. See, it looks like it's pure rose paste, rose water, aloe vera. So let's check what are the ingredients. Ingredients are organic aloe vera gel, French pink clay, kaolin clay, licorice, vegetable glycerin, and rose hydrosol. French, the Australian pink clay, आपने तो सुना ही होगा that Australian pink clay, the products are almost 2-3,000 expensive. So here you get French pink clay, and also very affordable. This is just for 550 rupees, and if you use my code you will get 20% off. But right now on Vanity Wagon they are celebrating 2 years birthday, so they are giving all the products with 30% off using their code VW Turns 2. So I will share all the details in my description box. First of all, right now I want to apply this on my face and share it with you all. So let's apply the mask. Before applying this mask, I already did a patch test, because normally most of the natural ingredients products does not suit everyone, so you always have to do a patch test. All your hair away from the mask. This is the best way of applying a mask. So now I'm going to use it. You can either use it with your finger or a brush. So I'm just taking this 1 spoon, first one, and little medium layer. It should not be very thin. Medium layer of mask. Try to apply. And if you have your skin above your upper lips is darker, you can apply a little. And you know what, best thing is you don't need to use any kind of rose water or any plain water with this mask. It is already a ready-made mask. You just need to take a brush or finger and dip it in. Smell is 100% original rose. And while I'm applying, I'm feeling very cool on my face. It's very nice and refreshing. I think I was super tired, came back from work, and it's very hot and humid outside. So if you apply this and sit, you'll feel like the way you're keeping cold sheet mask on your face is just the same feeling. Okay, I'm done. I'll show you the close-up. See, it's a pink clay mask, rose, glycerine, and so many things are there. So let's check out our benefits and features. Instantly brightens your face and gives a facial uplift. Aloe vera and rose water with its anti-inflammatory and cooling properties soothe the dry and sensitive skin. French pink clay cleanses the skin, slough off dead skin cells, and to create an overall refreshed appearance. So like that, it gives a cooling sensation, plus it removes your dead skin cells as well. And their pink French pink clay cleanses your skin and it will make your skin brighten, and it will make it refresh. And there are so many other products which I would like to recommend. Please check the link in my description box. Below my title there is one arrow down. Click on that arrow and drop down box will open where I share my Instagram ID. Follow me there. It's Just Chill with Pam Station, and Twitter is my ID as well. So if you're not yet subscribed my channel, definitely subscribe my channel and hit like as well. So this video is going to be very helpful. So I think 5 minutes से तो मैं बड़बड़ कर ही रही हूँ. I'll wait for another 20 minutes and I'll come back. Okay guys, so it's already 20 minutes done. I used this face mask, and the best thing is I forgot to tell you that there is no plastic used in this. This is a tin dabba in which अगर ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा, you can store your jewelry, your studs, your small dainty things, whatever you want, coins, आप इसमें store कर सकते हैं. And this is travel friendly because it closes like this and it's very tight, so you can even carry in your sling bag or purse. So this is very nice. I really love the packaging, the cute tin dabba. Because of the dabba also you can buy it. So I'll just wash my face and I'll come back. Okay, so I just washed my face. Can you see my face is looking brightened right now. I just washed. अभी तक मैंने कुछ भी नहीं apply किया. Just wiping with a towel in front of you guys. And my face, I'm feeling already cool, refreshed. And one thing I wanted to tell, when you order these products from Vanity Wagon, you need to have little bit of patience, which I did not had. So I was like, when I ordered in the month of August, I was like, first of all, the products don't come all together. So I have 5 products in my cart. So 3 are already received, 2 are still awaiting. That's from Juicy Chemistry. जैसा भी वो आएगा, I will review it and I'll make a video and I'll share with you all my reviews. So 2 products I'm still waiting, and it's already first week of September. But when I received it in the first week of September, 2nd or 3rd of September, I was like, that time I was very angry that why the hell it took so long. But when I saw manufactured in August So I was like, wow, they just freshly made this and send it. That means they natural ingredients को टाइम लगता है एंड दे मेकिंग फ्रेश फॉर वन पैकेज. एक एक बंदे को बहुत टाइम देते हैं. सो दैट इज़ रियली नाइस. आई रियली लाइक दैट जेस्चर. So that's the reason you need to have little bit of patience, and yeah, it just takes 2 weeks max to max time for it to come. I don't know, maybe it depends upon the location as well. So I would definitely recommend give this a try, and the expiry date is for 8 months from the date of manufacturing, and you'll get it for, and the price was around 600. You'll get it for 30% off site wide, because we have 2 years birthday, celebrating 2 years in Vanity Wagon. So 550 is the price, and use the code, and I'll share all the links in my description box. Can you see a lot of difference on my face? So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this face mask when you buy. Do let me know in the comment section if you have already tried Vilva Wild Rose face mask, and let me know in the comment section how do you like it. Follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, and subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye. And yes, there are coupon codes on my description box as well. Check that out.